Hey guys, happy Father's Day to all the awesome dads out there, all the role models, all those guardians that take care of the kids. I'm here on my way to the airport to drop off a puppy from our business, Optimal Canine. We love what we do and we really enjoy it. So today I will be showing you guys how we're packing. Yesterday was overwhelmingly busy. We had a lot of pickups for our litter of puppies. So later today we will show you what we have done to pack. Oh my goodness, I literally had to swerve because there was a mommy duck with its baby ducklings. Thank God the highway is completely empty, or yeah, that would have been really bad. Oh my goodness, thank you Lord. Anyways guys, today we will show you how we've been packing and what we have been doing to get prepared for our trip. Our last video we showed you what we purchased. I will go over some of the things we purchased, although we're gonna see if I can bring everything that we have purchased into our RV because we were looking with Les and I think we have too many things and we might just have to buy things along the way. I mean, most of them is non-perishable items because we thought let's buy things that stay good for a while. Alright guys, well we made it here to the terminal drop-off cargo location for this puppy. So I just dropped off the puppy here at the airport and now I'm gonna head back home and hopefully the kids are doing great. They're probably still sleeping just because they went to bed late last night. So we're gonna make some breakfast for Wes for Father's Day, and then hopefully after that, when I put Amelia for a nap, we can pack and finally show you guys what we're doing. So I had to make a quick stop at Tim Hortons. You know, like a good Canadian here. You need that coffee though for the morning, especially because I had to get up at around 5:30 this morning to drop off the puppy at the airport. So here's to all my Canadian people. Tim Hortons. Good coffee right here. It's a French vanilla. It's my favorite. So if you see our My Big Trips RV throughout Canada and you're like, hey, I want to get them something, get us some coffee. We love French vanilla. It's amazing. It's delicious. Good for the Canadian soul. Alright guys, we'll see you at my house where we're gonna get ready for Father's Day today.
Your daddy.
Whoa, thank you.
Hey, happy Father's Day.
Happy Levi Day.
Oh.
I love you. Thank you for making me a daddy.
Wow, Bobby, nice.
Yeah.
He doesn't know what it is.
Yes.
It's a bag.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, My Big Trips. We're finally packing today and we're so excited to let you know what you should pack when you're going on a trip. So we're first going to start off with the kids packing. I usually get one luggage and share it for both kids. Levi is 5 years old and Amelia is about 21 months old. So I usually share one luggage for both of them, and it's great because we don't have to bring a lot when you go on a trip. You just have to bring the essentials and know what you need to bring. That way you don't bring too much that you don't need to use certain things, or you don't bring enough that you end up buying almost everything on your trip. So we're gonna give you some key pointers on what to bring when you bring your kids on a trip, especially when it's a long trip. Like our trip is gonna be just over 3 weeks. So we're gonna pack as if we're gonna go for 1 week, and we're gonna teach you how to do that. Usually when it's a month-long trip, you pack enough for 1 week and then you just reuse what you bring. So you do laundry usually at the location where you're staying. And here it is. So these are the shoes we're bringing for the kids. We're gonna bring some rain boots, water shoes, and sandals, just to have some variety of shoes, and they're each gonna wear their sneakers on the way on our first day out. So they'll be able to wear some things and bring the rest in their luggage. Here's Amelia's side of her luggage, and we decided to bring pajamas for her, enough for 6 days, and for Levi enough for 4 days, just because we know how much they use according to their age. And for clothes for them, we brought enough for Amelia for 12 days and Levi enough for 8 days. We are bringing also 2 of their blankets each and 2 stuffed toys each, just because we know that it's easier for them to sleep. Something that they're used to sleeping with, it's easier to get adjusted to a different location or place to sleep. We're also going to show you today our luggage. Wes and I usually share one luggage if we're going to go for a long trip as well. We used to each bring one luggage each, but it just got too much to carry around because now it's 2 adults, 2 kids, and on top of that, now this time we're bringing our dogs, so we have to be as compact as possible without bringing too much. The good thing is that we don't have to weigh our luggages on an RV trip. Usually for airlines, we have to keep the measurements of the luggage. We have to keep with the weight, that restrictions that they have, and if we go over, we're gonna have to pay per pound. And sometimes 1 extra pound may cost you $100, so it's not worth it. But now that we're going on our RV, we can bring whatever we want weight-wise, but at the same time we need to be smart space-wise because we don't have a lot of space in the RV for all 6 of us. Yeah, total 6. 2 adults, 2 kids, 2 dogs. So if you do the math, in a confined space, we need to bring just enough that covers the essentials, and that we just don't bring too much that we're tripping over things in our RV. We want to have fun, and we don't want to be carrying a bunch of baggage that later on we're going to regret, because there is no turning back until we hit Vancouver and come back. So honestly, we're going to do our best to keep it compact, concise, essentials, and we're going to show you how. Here are our tips for packing. When you're packing for grown-ups, just pack enough for 1 week, meaning really pack enough for 4 days. You don't need to bring too much unless there is climate change or weather changes. Like we're gonna go from Ontario to Vancouver. We know as we get closer to Vancouver, the weather is gonna change. Not by much, but it will be colder. So we need to bring layers. That's what we recommend. So bring layers that you're able to take off and put on, because if you just bring bulky jackets or too many shorts, it's not gonna be helpful for you. Always bring about 3 pairs of shorts for a grown-up and another 3 pairs of pants that you can alternate with different tops. Unless you're a girl and you want to bring a dress here and there, that's fine, but don't bring too much that you're overwhelmed with so much clothing that you don't have space for anything else. As well as shoes, bring walking shoes because we're gonna go walking a lot in trails. So I'm gonna bring my hiking boots that Wes got me for Mother's Day. So I'm gonna show you so these are my hiking boots that Wes got me for Mother's Day, and I think they're great because they're good quality and they're Columbia. So Columbia is a really good brand, and they're snug, they're comfy. I already tried them out on one of our trails here near our house. They are warm. That is something that I have to consider if we're gonna go in like warmer climate, like if we're gonna go into Winnipeg or Northern Ontario. It's still a little bit warmer than if we were towards Calgary or Banff or much closer to Vancouver, that we know that it gets a little bit cooler. Always remember to bring a jacket or a coat preferably a raincoat is the best, and always bring hoodies and jackets that you can layer on top of those hoodies, so that you can just either wear a hoodie or wear a hoodie and a jacket. But don't bring your winter jacket, it's not worth it. It's too much bulk and it'll take a lot of space out of your luggage. As well as shoes, I would only bring 3 pairs of shoes. I'm going to bring my slip-ons, which are like sandals, my hiking boots, and a pair of sneakers. I want to be comfy and I want to be able to walk lots and not be tripping over things if I'm wearing heels or anything like that. I'm not trying to impress anybody on this trip. So we're good, we're golden, and we're going to have lots of fun. And we're also going to be chasing little kids around and our dogs. So I need to have practicality. And that's something that we have to keep in mind when we're going to go travel as a family. You want to be comfortable and you don't want to be stressed out and tired and wearing things that don't fit you or are too tight. Too much wardrobe change is not. T-shirt, shorts, perfect. So now that it's summertime, we're going to be wearing a lot of bathing suits and summer shorts. So we're going to take advantage that because if it's summertime, we have to pack even lighter. The only thing is that RV, we have to also bring some bedding for the kids. Keep in mind, kids, they might, wet the bed at night. So you have to keep in mind to bring extra blankets and sheets. So that's something that we're bringing, waterproof protectors for the mattresses and the couches, so that the kids are happy and comfortable. So if there is an accident in the evening, it can quickly be changed and we don't have to worry about it, and we can change it. And we're bringing about 2 changes of waterproof things for the kids. So we're set for that. We don't bring so much that it's too much bulk. Well, that was easy. As you can see here, we have all of the food that we're getting ready for a trip, and some swimming things like the kids' life jackets and a mattress for Amelia's playpen, and a couple other things to keep us fed and keep us safe, like a first aid kit. And we also have a few lawn chairs that we're going to bring, the foldable ones. And we also have a few lawn chairs and we have each our own lawn chair that we're going to bring. And we have some toys for the dogs as well, and toys for the beach for the kids. Alright guys, so we're also bringing our KNF Concept backpack. If you haven't seen our video of what is in here, check it out on our playlist of how to travel. This has a lot of essentials for myself, so go check it out. And Wes will also be bringing his drone as well, which is very compact, the DJI Mavic Air. Can have some cool shots for our videos. We're also bringing our dog's health records just in case we need to show them at any point. And we're bringing our passports. See the 3 Canadians right there and the Colombian right here. Yeah, just in case we need it at any point. I will bring my driver's license, and so will Wes. It's always good to keep all your documentation handy, so always bring a backpack where you can carry all your things that you need to access quick, like your wallet and your passports, driver's license, money. We are going to bring some cash as well. I mean, not a lot, because usually you can buy anything here in Canada with a credit card or your debit card, so we're going to bring those things as well. Here we have Zoe and Savannah's essentials: 2 dog towels, shampoo, dog brush, a jar of treats, and 3 bags of food that should last enough for the whole trip. And if anything, we can always contact TLC to deliver us some food, since they are nationwide in Canada. Alright guys, well I think we are set for our trip. Happy Father's Day.
I knocked it off.
Hey guys, so tomorrow we're gonna pick up our RV, and we're pretty pumped because that means we can start up our trip in just 2 days, right?
What are you gonna do in 2 days?
Go on our RV trip. So for that, we have to get me a haircut. And the doggies are coming on our RV trip.
Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Guys, see you tomorrow. We're gonna give you a tour of an RV.